design drives everything else. Education today is a customer-centric medium, and to hear someone say that school is the most boring thing they do every day is really sort of sad. So we need to be responsive to what the students are looking for. It's not an I talk, you listen environment anymore. We started Tribeca Flashpoint to focus on two needs in the marketplace. The first was the desire to see a new kind of education that served a group of students who weren't really being served by traditional four-year colleges. And these were digital students and students who were interested specifically in the new technologies. And the second was to build a new kind of curriculum that responded to the way the real world works. Our goal was to build an environment that promoted collaboration. What we've tried to do is take a new view of how to do this process. And so we started with the idea that there wasn't a static space within the entire school. And to do that, we needed to start with the furniture, with the environment, with the rooms, with the spaces. Everything needed to be fluid, it needed to be mobile, it needed to be flexible. We couldn't have any of the infrastructure get in the way of the learning experience. The students are as central to the education process here as the faculty or the staff or anyone else are. And so we've tried to build an environment that encourages them, that lets them have enough freedom to really be a partner in this education process, and we've been really pleased with the results.